Okay. We're going to play one game and Landia tell me sure something, you know. Still ahead. We're going to get a snippet of blood from a few teens from Tatia's Golden High. But first, we invite them for a game of ABC Fast or Slow.
Which I have never played in my life, and if I lose, me, I will just get
it says the game is as old as time, which means it and Neville is just about the same age. And it's a game that's been playing, especially when the teachers aren't looking. So, good morning.
Hello.
This
is Stephen, and this is Derek.
Derek. So I was asking, do we all use the letters? But Derek and Stephen tell me no. So always the same letter?
Yeah.
Good. So
we're not talking about, you know.
Do we start with Stephen?
Yes.
Yes.
All
So
right.
I'm going to say ABC.
Yeah, you're going to say ABC fast.
ABC Fast or Slow?
Yeah. And then, wait, hold on. You're going to say.
You know me, I go.
ABC Fast.
So why is not me doing everything?
Yeah, ask me.
All right, ABC fast or slow?
Fast. Start. Stop.
E.
E.
Okay.
All right. Ah, jeez. I don't know. When him say it, but him not say it yet.
Which TV show start with E? Then somebody tell me no?
No, you can't do that.
Thank you.
You can't. No, it's a never own cross out. Seriously.
What?
Him can't ball that tell
You say, I'll not go and me don't know the game and me done everything already. No.
No.
Who is that popular Jamaican when name start with E?
Stop.
Stop. All right, him says stop. All right. Stop.
Then you
Him
stop.
says
Me stop.
Double your teeth.
No.
So the categories are boy, girl, animal, place, TV show, popular Jamaican.
Yeah.
So me start with Neville.
Edward is the boy. Evelyn is the girl. Elephant is the animal. Egypt is the place. ER is the show. And Etana is the popular Jamaican. Me is the greatest man in the whole world. Me done. Me win already.
So is it that if he has it too, he can't repeat what Neville has?
I have Egypt.
Yeah, man.
No, you watch me,
No, me
you say you watch me. Me see that you're watching me.
What you're wrong.
So you would say your thing. Give me Neville.
My girl Emma.
Emma?
What's the boy name?
Edward.
So that
that is not Edward. The boy
Edward,
name.
sir.
No, you're just a right Edward. This man is just a right Edward. The man have the boy name as Emma. Hold on, here where the man do. He's a twin. The man have the boy name as Emma and the girl name as Emma. It's twins.
So una lose the boy. Una lose boy.
Oh, we must lose boy.
No. Him say Edward.
It's not a team, you know. Everybody on them own, you know, it's not a team.
Oh, you mean it's not a team?
No.
It's not a team?
So me win because me right.
No, it can't be not a, never like change the rules in that.
No, them say it's not a team. It's not a team.
Right. So you have what?
Emma as girl.
Yeah.
If two people have the same thing, it's split. Yes.
All right.
Him don't have not Edward.
Wait, animal?
You know me, I go home.
Him not have nothing. Place?
Egypt.
So it's split.
Yeah.
TV show?
ER.
Because it be.
Yeah, that's split. So the two of them not end up with one out of nothing.
Oh, you mean?
Boy.
Yeah, let me hear you.
Emerald.
Okay.
As in Harold.
Yes.
Girl, Erna.
Yeah.
As in
Erna.
Robert. As in Erna Brother.
Irma, she name. It's not Erna.
Erna Brother.
Yeah, go on.
The animal, though it's a bird, animal is a wide category, so I have an eagle.
Yeah.
Place, I got England.
Yeah.
TV show, I got EastEnders. And for popular Jamaicans, I've got Errol Dunkley.
Well, I don't wrong, you know.
Boy, everything was jumbling in my head, you know.
Lord Jesus. So, come let me hear where you have
what
the...
I have?
Yes.
Alright, boy, Elijah.
Yes.
Girl, Evra. Animal, elephant.
Lord Jesus, I'm elephant cut not tree now.
Alright, place blank, TV
No,
show blank.
So never end up with both.
We win, right?
Jumbled.
Oh, you can win. I don't know. Watch up.
What do you mean win? You
But like how me and him have one.
No, you don't have nothing. First, you never have Edward. You put Emma girl,
So you
Emma
tell
boy.
me out of the entire school of Tatia's Golden Brilliant students,
Yeah.
them find one way a thief and one way just write blank on the paper.
Hey, come again. Who must do it now?
Come.
Who must do it now?
Oh no.
So I want to say something to you.
Yes.
I must say ABC fast or slow.
I never have him.
Are you say
this one?
And me if you tell her when to start.
No, you must say fast or slow. I say ABC
no,
fast.
No, me tell her fast or slow.
You say ABC fast or slow.
You know that me say? You know that me just say? ABC fast or slow.
Slow. Start.
See.
Him not say stop.
Oh, let me not start from him say fast. Him from him say slow, me supposed to start.
You're not supposed to.
Alright, go on again. Go on again.
For go and break because they want to listen and want to see it.
ABC fast or slow.
Then me not, no, you supposed to say just me not answer man. And me must say ABC fast or slow. And then you must say fast or slow.
Coach, you're rude.
ABC rude, fast or slow.
Slow. Start. Stop.
B.
Alright.
I did well slow. TV show.
All right, we have to go for a break first. News it. What's the shall tell you?
I can't see what shall tell me. It's blank like I
have to go to News in 5.